Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extensions. In this video, I will show you how to use the Speechify Chrome extension step by step. If you want web pages, PDF, email or article read aloud automatically, this extension make it super easy. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to search bar and search for Speechify. Tap on it and click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. Once installed, you will see the Speechify icon near the Chrome toolbar. Click on it and sign in with your Google account or create a free account. Here you will see like I am continue with Google. Here you will see I will log in successfully. Refresh the page. Mark it as pin. Click on the extension. Now open any web page, blog, article or PDF you want to listen to. Here you will see it will opening. It will ask for. Here you will see once you will logged in. Now open any web page. Like I am opening Gmail. Click on this icon. Turn on volume and you will select the text which you want to speak.
Gmail, secure, AI-powered email for everyone.
If you want, you can pause, skip or replay. Here you will see all the settings. With the help of this, you can play
Gmail, secure, AI-powered email for everyone.
You can save to library also, talk to assistant and dictate. It's very useful for studying, multitasking or listening to long articles without reading manually, and that's it. That's how you can use the Speechify Chrome extension in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.